Alright, so the first step is to download this PDF from Dali Lomo. So this is what it should look like. If yours doesn't look like this, look for the one that does look like this and print it. So here's the template. It's put into 6 different pieces. On the sides of the pages, there's like these blank spots where like the printer didn't print it and just went to the next page. So we're gonna cut these pieces off, and then we gotta like tape them together just so like they're all like one giant piece. So here it is, all the lines are drawn, and you can see like right here on this side and this side, I didn't really draw the lines because it wouldn't matter, it wouldn't affect anything. But I do them on the sides that it connects to another piece. So yeah, if you're gonna do this, just do that. Alright, so now we have taped together all the pages, and now it's just one big page. Now all we gotta do is do some markings real quick, because there's some detail parts that are just gonna have to be cut a certain way, so I'm gonna mark those. Alright, so here are all the pieces cut out. You can see these green lines and these somewhat of a blue line and that pink line right there. I'm gonna tell you what all those mean. So the green lines are just where you score them. You cut halfway through the cardboard. The pink lines cut all the way through the cardboard, and the blue line you would go to the back of this and you would just kind of cut right on that, you know, line. So yeah, only these pieces right here that you see right now are the only pieces that you're gonna need to make some markings on. So here's this piece. These are the markings. There's no blue on that. Same thing over here, no blue. Oh, here's just green. That's just green. This is got green, blue, and pink. And then this part, it's just green. So yeah. So just take your pieces and bring them to your cardboard and tape them down, because it'll make it so much easier when you're cutting them out. I got kind of carried away when I was making the mask, and I didn't record much of it. But yeah, there's like 1,000 other tutorials using this template on how to build this mask. So just use that if you really need help building the mask. Alright, so I just cut off the faceplate. And one tip, if you put too much glue and you can't get the faceplate off, just take like a lighter and just like kind of melt the glue off. It comes off pretty easy. So let's go add the wood filler. Alright, so the wood filler has hardened and it looks pretty nice. There's some like chunks of wood filler that kind of fall off. All we're gonna have to do is like sand this down to make it smoother, and you know, while we're sanding it down we can remove those random chunks. So yeah, let's do that. So me being me, I obviously forgot to record me sanding it, or I just, you know, didn't want to record me sanding it because that's a lot of work. But anyways, I did record me painting it. Alright, so we got the mask all painted. So yeah, we can take this on and off. Now all we gotta do is build the hinge piece. So we can put this up here and we can bring it back down. Alright, so you just want to take a coat hanger. You're gonna want to bend it into shape. I still need to cut some pieces off, but basically this big long piece at the bottom is gonna be going up there, and we line these lines up so this way they're trying to just fit in those. And then yeah, I'll just show you the rest after I cut these 2 top parts off. Alright, so the helmet is pretty much done. The elastics, they go all the way to the back of the helmet, and on the inside you can see they connect to those. So yeah, let's test it now.
What we do here is go back.